Hey all you lovely people, welcome back to my channel. So it's Valentine's Day tomorrow. Not that I'm going to be doing anything anyways. Actually, no, that's wrong. I'm going to have some wine with my husband on the couch, and that's doing something. That's doing something really important, I think. If you're going to be doing something, going out on a date, or maybe just going out on your own with some girlfriends, whatever it is, I'm sharing 5 hairstyles that are perfect for date night with whomever you are going out with. So I'm going to show you which ones they are right now.
Okay, first hairstyle is super easy. I mean, if you know how to do a double Dutch braid, we're going to part our hair to the side, and then we're going to take the smaller side and we're going to create a double Dutch braid, and we're going to go all the way down to the back of the head. And if you know how to braid already, it's simple. You're doing a basic braid, but every time you're grabbing more hair and putting the strand underneath the next strand. And you keep doing that over and over and over until you get a Dutch braid. Secure that bad boy. Nice and tight. Now I'm just pulling apart the braid to loosen it up, make it look a little bit more effortless, pretty, you know, all that stuff. Securing that to the back of the head with bobby pins now. I feel like I should have started with this hairstyle because this is like the easiest one ever. You just brush your hair, flatten it down a bit, and put some bobby pins in. This look totally gives me Margot Tenenbaum vibes, and I think that's why I like it so much, I'm not gonna lie. I think it just adds a little more excitement into a boring side part, if you know what I mean. This look is a bit more tricky, but if you know how to braid, then you won't have any problems. So I'm starting off with teasing the back of my head a bit, creating some volume. And then I'm going in with the front piece, leaving a little strand out because I like a little bang. And then I'm going to go and separate these two pieces here. The first one, we're going to start braiding. We're going to start as a double Dutch, going down a little bit, and then starting to braid it normally. Securing that with an elastic. Then we're doing the exact same thing with the second strand. Again, we're going to pull the braids apart to make them look bigger and fuller and nicer. So with the back part that we teased originally, I'm going to secure that with an elastic, and then I'm going to do a little flipperoni, like so. Then I'm going to pull that apart, loosen it up, make it look a bit more pretty and feminine. Then taking the first braid, I'm going to secure that underneath. I'm going to take the second braid, also going to secure that with a bobby pin. They're all secured, ready to go, not leaving my head, and that is that. Second to last look is just a basic low pony, but there's something really romantic about, you know, a loose, wavy low pony, you know? So I'm going to attempt to do that with short hair. It's doable. I've done it. I'm doing it right now. I like to take the little strands that are poking out, and I take a bobby pin and I flip the bobby pin and push it towards my head up so the bobby pins are kind of hidden. You don't see them. Tuck a couple hairs behind the ears, make it look really effortless. Now I'm dusting off my favorite headband. Haven't worn it in a while. Add some excitement to your hair, guys. Accessorize, yeah. I'll accessorize any chance I get, including this low pony. Love it. This last look is so easy, but so good. So it's going to be a half updo. We're going to grab half of the hair, we're going to tie it, and then we're going to do another flip. But this time we're going to really pull it apart so much that the elastic's like at the very end of the pony, and so we're going to tuck that in so you can't even see it. Look at that. Then we're going to accessorize again, and we're going to add a beautiful little heart because we love hearts and we love love. That's not why, it's just freaking cute.
So those are the 5 hairstyles. You know, they're cute. No, they're not cute. They're hot. They're hot. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Which is your favorite? Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.